Hello, y'all. What's up? I'm here at Caprice Motel in the guest laundry room here at Caprice Motel, WildWood, New Jersey. Not part of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, or anything. And guess what they have? They have a brand new washer that Whirlpool, the new series of Whirlpool that replaced the older version one, and got a nice agitator. So it's $1 for 25 for the washer and $1.50 for 20 minutes for a dryer. It's a main tag. It's still kept used. They cleaned this laundry room really nice and well. They have soap dispenser. So today we're gonna do a load tag for you guys. So right now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna select my cycle. I'm gonna select heavy duty. It's pardon me rushing that noise. That's just alarm. And then we're gonna for a temperature. We're gonna select hot water. And so right now we're gonna do this sort of because unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to fit all of this in because it's all like this. So I'm just gonna sort out which ones I want to put in the washer first, and hopefully goes from there. So anyway, let's select the ones. Hang on a second, guys. There we go. Hang on a second. Oh, I hate that noise. Let me get my camera. This is why I load in. I'm trying to find the ones with tough stains. It smells horrible. If that noise was just stop, that will not take me off, throw me off. That noise drives me nuts. This one. Okay, they're all good. Sorry to tell you to stop the camera real quick. That's all I have. Nice and loaded. I don't want too much. So now let's put the quarters in. It's hard to hold the camera on me while recording. Hang on a second, guys. I have to check something really quick. I don't want too much in the washer. I want it nice and swashing. I have to reload them again. So usually I don't do this on video, but I have to, unfortunately, because I have to just to make sure there's no soap on the bottom. So I just have to get the ones in the washer first. Okay. Take the ones.
How did it go?
I'm videoing.
Huh?
I'm videoing.
Okay. It's 2 loads, okay? Split
Yeah.
it?
Yes.
Perfect. So then, yeah, it won't be too much.
Yeah.
Alright, try to get the underwears for sure.
That's what I'm doing.
And the poopy shorts.
That's what I'm doing.
Alright. Okay, I didn't know you were still working on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, don't want too much. I'd rather do 2 loads and get them clean.
I know.
Alright.
Okay. Okay. That should do it right here. So, alright, here we go. Let's start the washer. Let me pour the detergent in. I'm using Xtra Liquid Detergent. Oh, it doesn't let me see the wash fill. Alright, so we're all good. And this is all I have left. So, and yep. Yep, it's filling. The wash. Yep. Let's make it works on that. Yep. There we go. Alright, and I'll show you guys the dryer. It's nice, strong. Electron. It's old, but they're gonna replace it soon. It's a Whirlpool, I think. So yeah, so I have these loads to do. So that being said, that's all for right now. Thank you for watching. That's all.